Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, as you can see here, we are back with our system. Here, today, we'll be upgrading the amount of PWM ports, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, PWM ports on our motherboard. As you can see, we only have a single one here, which is currently connected to our system fan. So now, we are just going to unplug this slowly by wiggling it out, but we do not want to put too much force on it, okay? As you can see, we got it out here. Now we are going to install a new one, which is not actually a new one. Okay, this is an extender. You can see it's 1:4, and we're going to take one of this, plug it back in the right orientation. It should be like this. You plug it back in. Okay, and be sure to snugly put it in. Okay, good. Now that it's in, we have this. We can either find a place to route it, like here. We can undergo this path here, but for now we are not. We can just mount it here, and we're gonna do a bit of cable management. Let's not do too much. We can cable it around like this here, and take this out. See, this is double-sided tape for the one I'm currently using. Remove it here like this easily. Then we pull it a bit here. Since the spare cable routing here, you can just press this down hard here. Okay, good. Now as you can see, the bar is here, so slightly out of orientation, but pushing can do it. Okay, done. Now we are gonna take the PWM cable that I just took out, which is this one connected to the fan just now. I'm gonna take it and plug it in right at the bottom, and there's no cables there, so we can slowly find out where I plug it in. Okay, yeah, we'll plug this in later, but yeah, for now, as you can see, it's here, and we've routed it. So this is how you install your PWM extender for your fans, mostly your case fans, or if you have a radiator. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.